Today's lesson 4、ねdo a こそアド word again。こそアド word again。
このチャンネルは次の世代に日本語をつなげていきたい人向けの動画です。
Let's review sorrow and today's review, today's hiragana as T-row, T, tiger as T, T-row. What did you learn last week? S-row. さしすせそ。Do you remember the sound? さしすせそ Sugar sound. さしすせそ。Say さしすせそ。
さしす
さ
さしそ
すせ
そ。
Good, good. Today's hiragana, T, T, T as in tongue, tongue. And tiger, T, T, you know, T, T sound. T plus A goes to, say ta. 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 Good. Okay. Today's consonants is T. Yeah, let's see the zero. As usual, add up to T plus A. Ta. T plus E goes to G. G. Good. T plus U goes to S. Good. T plus E goes to Te. Te. Good. T plus O goes to To. To. Good job. One more time. Let's write down Ta. Ta. Red sideline and like a slide. And then blue and yellow. Ta has an extra horizontal line on the left side. It's like a ko. Blue and yellow shows ko. Oh, good job. That's ta. Good. はい、じゃあ next one. Next one is chi, the carbon brush. After you did, please show me. That is chi. Chi. Good job, chi. Super easy. Like a fishing hook. Now you wrote she last week, but don't misunderstand. This is tsu. Say tsu. Tsu. Good. Tsu. Tsu is left to right and a carbon brush. Okay, so let's go to te. 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 Te almost looks like T. T. It looks like T. So let's write down. Left sideline from left to bottom and go down and the tummy. Sideline and the tummy stop. This is te. 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 Ichi. This is one stroke. Ichi. Beautiful. That's te. Yes, good job. Hi, last one. Last one of hiragana today. The two lines should make a 90-degree angle. Green line. 1, 2. The two lines should make a 90-degree angle. 1, 2. Show me.
Wait, what's the
これですね。と、to, と。good. Yes, good. たちつてと。Here we go. Okay, ready? I flip the paper.
To.
Good job. Let's get the vocabulary using hiraganas that you have learned already. Ready? Octopus.
タコ。
はい、タコ。タコ。 drum. Dudun, 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 dudun. Drum.
Oh, I,
Good. Yes, Tai.
Taiho.
Yeah, Taiko. Nice. You found it. Taiko. Your process. Good.
Kusu.
靴、すごい、すごい。靴。シューズ、靴。Yes. はい。これ、ストリング。あ、again. あ
そう。
あ、そう、糸。ストリング。Good. はい。song. 歌。song. That's right. 歌。You're good. It's slow though. It's good process. Nice. はい。Just one word. hand.
手。
Good. 手。mouse.
お。
mouse.
口。
そう、口早い。It's so fast. What's happened? そうです。Very good. だから、some hiraganas are in your stick already. In your stick, in your brain. Good. じゃあ、let's review. Here we go. はい。This is So, let's review. So, はい。じゃあ、let's write down カタカナた。Oh, this is similar to カタカナく。But be careful. た has a diagonal extra line. はい、let's write down. This is た。1、2、3。1、2、3。はい、let's write down. た。3 strokes. 1、2、3。1、2、3。The start with an upper horizontal stroke, then a longer horizontal stroke under it, and end with the curvy downward stroke. 1、2、3. Short line from top to bottom. Second line a short bottom to top to bottom. And brush to top to bottom. Brush. はい、let's write down. 1、2、3。1、2、3。3 strokes. The second short lines are more vertical instead of horizontal. Did you write down? Two lines. 1、2. And brush from second line. 1、2、3. Ah, beautiful. So has two straight lines. The first stroke is a long and then straight vertical line. The second stroke is a shorter line. Okay, good. That's と。はい。たちつてと。はい。
手。
good job.
手。
はい。ラストワン。
す。
Yes, つです。よくできました。ほら、ね。You're getting better and better. だから don't give up. ね。do homework again. じゃあ、let's go to grammar and conversation. Let's go. Just let's review. Do you remember これ、それ、あれこれ is used for the close to speaker. ね。これは本です。This is a book. これは本です。ね。Green boy is speaking. And green boy is saying, he point umbrella. 傘。ね、それは傘です。それ is used for the close and near the listener. で、あれ is used for the things which is far from both of them. ね、あれは point, the car. あれは車です。車 means car. あれは車です。Let's review. This is a book. はい、please read. どうぞ。
これは
うん
本です。
本です。This is a book. これは本です。That is umbrella.
それは傘です。
Mm-hmm. You're gonna exercise. Remember. はい。That is car over there.
あれは車です。
車です。車です。はい、じゃあ let's exercise. Here you go. Green boy is speaking. This is a book. He has a book. Book is close to listener. How do you say?
これ
This
は
is a
book.
yes, yes.
これは本です。
Very good. これは本です。はい。How do you say that is an umbrella?
それは本です。
それは傘です。Good. はい。How do you say that is car over there?
あれは車です。
車です。はい。よくできました。すごいよくできたね。はい。You reviewed. You understood very well. Nice grammar is interrogatives. Interrogatives. Let's practice and exercise what in Japanese. See the dialogue. はい。Let's get the new vocabulary today. I explained already. None. はい。じゃあ、please check again. はい、どうぞ。Green boy does know what is that. ね、what is this? What is that? はい。はい。What is that? それは何ですか？はい。
それは何ですか？
それは何ですか？ね。それは何ですか？うん、はい。Please read.
これはケーキです。
これはケーキです。そう。ブラブラブラは何ですか？ What is that? Green boy is saying.
それは何ですか？
Yes, that's right. If he has a box, これは何ですか？ However, listener has yellow box. And then green boy is saying, それは何ですか？ That's right. He has a cake. How do you say? This is a cake.
これはケーキです。
そう。これはケーキです。Good job. これはケーキです。これはケーキです。This is a cake. He's saying. And then he has a cake. Good job. はい、one more time. Another question. You are asking, what is that? How do you say what in Japanese? Put something in the box.
何ですか？
そう、何ですか？何ですか？それは何ですか？ What is that? それは何ですか？ What is that? はい。This is a cake. This is a cake.
これはケーキです。
そう、これはケーキです。You're so smart. Very good. これ。Good job. Go to culture. There are lots of words to show politeness and respect for another person in Japanese. For example, in the morning, you greet your friends with おはよう. But should greet your teacher with おはようございます. One more time. When you meet friends in the morning, how do you say?
おはよ
Very good. When you meet the teacher in the morning, how do you say?
う。おはようございます。
Perfect. Good. Additional greetings. The さようなら。ね、さようなら。もう it's already honorific goodbye. ね、さようなら。Say さようなら。
さよな
さよなら。Goodbye. さよなら means goodbye. さよなら。Use さよなら in both situations. ね。When you meet friends, when you see the teacher. ね、さようなら。これ、this is a friend ね。When you say, じゃあまた to friends. じゃあまた。じゃあまた。say じゃあまた。
じゃあまた。
そう、じゃあまた。ね。はい。じゃあ、one more. Read a Japanese number. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say 1, 2, 3.
123。
はい、1, 2, 3. はい、this is a Japanese 1, 2, 3. Say again.
123。
one more time.
123。
はい、very good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. はい、let's review. Today's summary. You learned ひらがな、TESOL、たちつてと、カタカナ。It's the same pronunciation. たちつてと、shapes are different. Say たちつてと 1 hour. ね。さよなら。さよなら。さよなら。